Jasper just had some cereal. Yeah. Look at you. Are you feeding yourself? Here, put it in your mouth. Good job. Good job. You got some extra stuff on your chin there, kiddo. What do you think? Yeah. I love my cereal. Yeah. I almost got the hiccups. Oh, good job. Good job. Get some of that off your chin there. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Don't choke yourself there.